G'day guys, Ben Johnston from TFC. We've got Mitchy helping me out today, Mitch Nicholson. We're just going to show you guys a technique where you can hit 2 power shots in a row. A lot of the time what happens when people throw a kick is, boom, that's the end of the combination. Hit that kick, they reset, and they go again. A couple of punches, maybe hit the kick, stop, reset, go again. So it's almost like a full stop at the end of the sentence. I want that just to be another word right in the middle of the sentence where you can keep on going. Because obviously when you hit a kick, most people don't throw anything else. We want to be able to catch them off guard and come straight over the top with more punches. And not only just more punches, but more big punches. So Mitchy's going to hit that just to practice hitting the kick and then continuing on. Mitchy's going to hit that right kick, big powerful kick being the rear kick. As soon as he lands, right hand straight over the top. So you might, if I didn't have my pads, if I was here, he's gone bang, I drop, bang, straight over the top. Okay, so again, right kick, right punch. Now notice as soon as Mitchy lands those feet, as soon as that back foot hits the ground, he's already powering off into his next punch. So we can start to add that into our freestyle pads. So every time Mitchy hits that right kick, I know the right hand's going to follow. I don't need to tell him, he doesn't need to tell me, but for the whole round, 3 round, whatever we're doing, I know that every single time that right kick comes, I'm expecting that right hand to shoot straight down and land on my jaw. So I'm going to be ready for it. So that's going to be in our freestyle. We don't need to talk about it, we know it's coming. Jab, 2, up. 1, 2, go. You guys get the idea. I don't want to wear Mitchy out. You get the idea. Every time he hits that right kick, that right hand's coming. I'm just going to be ready for it. This is a good drill for Mitchy for when he spars or fights or whatever. He's not thinking about it, but he's just going to see it, and his body's going to automatically land in the right spot for him to land that right hand there.